Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to save or export your Adobe Lightroom work or images. So basically after you finish your work or your editing or color gradings in your images in Adobe Lightroom, you will need to export this image or save it. So basically to do this, you will need to go to the file tab here or the file menu, and as you can see there is a section where we can export this image. So basically either you go to the file and click export, or you click Control Shift and E and you will have this pop-up window. So let's just click on it, export, and here we will have this. And first you are going to add your export location. So you can have a specific folder and you choose, or just make it in the folder. And you can choose if you want to add another subfolder, so you will create a folder in your desktop and you will have it exported there. Also you can name your file, and if it finds something that has the name what should do, etc, etc. You can just add a watermark, or add whatever you want here in your uh, settings or an exportation settings. After that, all you will need to do is to confirm and click export, and you will have uh, just use uh, you will have your image that has been exported successfully, and we can see our image. So it was the first version, and this is after some random changing, and I have it being exported. So basically those were the steps to save your images in Adobe Lightroom. So thank you for watching and goodbye.